What is this? What is this? Your second best kitchen helper? We need first best kitchen helper if we're ever gonna bring back cooking videos on the cooking channel. Wait! Is this a new video on the cooking channel?
Are we on the cooking channel?
What do we, ma'am! Ma'am! You just pissed off half the internet. Get out. So, you guys have been begging for videos on the cooking channel and taste test videos, and I found these today, and Greg came over. So, we're gonna give you a quick little Oreo Space Dunk Taste Test.
Look at those.
Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Look at these, Greg.
They're
beautiful. Man. So apparently,
they're beautiful.
They have different designs on them.
Mine's got a spaceman.
Mine has a spaceship.
Mine has a star.
So there we just got.
There's four different designs. What's that one?
Dalek.
It looks like a Dalek.
It kind of does. Huh. Crack one of them. Crack one of them open so we can see the inside. Okay.
It's blue and pink, and it kind of makes a purple.
Oh,
where
you
it
got
mixes.
a pink one. You got a blue one. Okay. Oh, here's the best kitchen helper ever. Sorry, you can't eat Oreos.
But into mine.
Yeah, but into yours.
It's really soft. I can smoosh it out the edges.
Well, yeah, it's like double stuffed Oreos. I need your expert opinions from taste testing for all those years we did taste testing. Oh, I'm getting a yes. Okay, now I don't know what flavor these are.
Me neither.
No? Are they fruity? Are they...
Yes.
Yes, they're
I
fruity?
think it's fruity at first.
There's Pop Rocks. There's Pop Rocks inside of them.
It's Pop Rocks. That's the cosmic.
Yeah.
There's Pop Rocks.
Yeah.
It reminds me of the Spider or the Superman ice cream.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that what you're getting, Greg? Superman ice cream?
And then the chocolate cookie.
Hi, best kitchen helper.
Oh.
Yeah? Yeah? All right.
Definitely some.
I think that's why I'm thinking
Coloring
fruity.
in
The
there.
pink or blue from the Superman.
All right, I'm gonna try mine now. You're right, it does. It smells like cotton candy-ish.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Like
It could be the flavor.
cotton candy. Oh, they're weird.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna
Pop
try
Rocks.
it all together.
Pop Rocks.
And Pop Rocks.
It surprises me every time.
Do me a favor, take the top off that cookie.
Okay. And you're gonna. Oop, you broke it, but.
That's fine.
Good luck. There's a piece there that's
got it.
broken.
Oh yeah, the Pop Rocks. The Pop Rocks get you.
Yeah, up in here.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I want to try.
Yeah, and then keep popping afterwards. You're
Just the
going
middle.
Just the middle. See if you can figure out that flavor.
Woo! Pop Rocks. You said Superman ice cream, and that's what.
I know. Now your head's stuck to it. But I don't know.
With Pop Rocks.
Yeah. At first I thought one of the cereals, but
Yeah.
Yeah, the Fruity Pebbles or
Fruity-
whatever.
Yeah,
Fruity Pebbles.
something. Yeah.
But
Weird. Oh, I can still feel it doing
I know,
Pop Rock
yeah,
things in my
It's
mouth.
gonna be up in your.
for a while.
Well, hello, third best kitchen helper ever.
back in.
Welcome back to the kitchen. Huh.
She's like, "Are you
So,
not-"
out of 5, what do you give it out of 5?
Out of 5? Ooh,
Yeah.
I don't know.
5 being the best, 1 being the lowest.
Super not my favorite.
Okay.
I'm
Little,
not gonna lie, I've been cooking a lot lately, so I gotta give it a 3.
Okay.
probably where I'd say
About a 3? Yeah,
maybe 3.2.
I'm gonna say the color's beautiful.
Yeah.
Packaging is
Awesome.
beautiful.
Yeah.
The flavor and the Pop Rocks and all that.
Just might be a little much for.
It's gimmicky. I mean, it's Oreos. What do you expect? But they're not bad. If you like Oreos, they'll probably be really good with milk.
It's pretty much.
I
just
kind
a
of
ball
like that
sugar.
there's... Oh, this one's different too.
That's. That is it.
Yeah. I kind of like that they're kind of different. And you know me, I like Galaxy everything. So I had to try the Galaxy Oreos. Space Dunk Oreos. So what do you think, you guys? Should we bring back some videos to this channel? Look, we got all the kitchen helpers in the kitchen. You know what my favorite part about the Snow Dogs Cooking channel was?
What's that?
When people would complain that my dogs were in the kitchen while I was cooking.
Yeah. Right.
Well, they should-
or on a counter.
I shouldn't do a cooking channel.
Right. Don't you know that song? There's dog hair in everything I do. And guess what? They don't have to eat the food. Let us know down in the comments below if you guys want to actually see us cook some stuff. We just thought we'd post this to get some feedback from you guys. Okay, thanks, bye!